How to do it. Let me show you how to do it.
Hi guys, so today we're replacing the cabin filter, the air filter for Tesla Model 3. This is a 2022 model, but I think the process is pretty much the same for all Tesla Model 3s. So this is the two charcoal filter, and I'll tell you exactly which one I got. I'm going to leave a link in the description below from Amazon. Snowdo, they make really good filters. It's a 2-pack HEPA N98 carbon, activated carbon air filter. So highly recommend get the activated carbon. It kind of keeps the smell out and takes out all the smell and stuff like that. So the sign for the carbonated activated charcoal is this black thing, and you can see it has charcoal particles in there, those small ones that you see, and it's normal for it to make that noise. Believe it or not, but these carbon particles are very useful. Even when you're replacing your older one, and if you have a black carbon like this inside, you can put it in the sun and they are reusable. So you can throw it back under the car seat or something, and they'll absorb any moisture or any smell that you might have in the car, and they're pretty good at that. So just a tip for you guys. So all you need is these two tools, which comes in the kit basically, and this is needed to pry out some plastic tabs down here, and this is to unscrew one of the plastic that is behind this shield right there. So it's a very simple process. So let's get to it. So we can go ahead and remove this panel, and it's fairly simple. You can, as long as you can find a way to pry it out from bottom here. You can see I was just able to lift it, and it really just comes out very easily. There are some tabs, so you gotta be careful they don't break anything. Just pry it out nice and slow, and there you go, comes out. Okay, so once you have this panel removed, this is where the air filter is, right here, and that's only one screw at the bottom. You're going to remove, and that thing will come off. But as you can see, there's this plastic piece that is in the way. So if you only remove this and remove the filter, you're going to get stuck. You're not going to be able to remove the filter. So we have to remove this. There are 4 tabs that we have to remove, these plastic tabs that you will have to get out, and you can use this tool to get it out. So let's go ahead and do that. You just pull it out and it comes up. The second one. Third one is out. And this is the 4th one. I think there's only 4 that needs to be removed. Then you should be able to kind of wiggle it out. Plastic piece right here. Okay, now there are these wires. A lot of folks remove these wires, but there's no need to. You can just push it on the side, and that's it. And we're gonna go ahead and get to that screw and use our tool and unscrew it. Okay, once you remove it, just pull it sideways and pull it down, and this piece will come off. Now this is your filter. There are tabs that you can go ahead and pull it. There you go. So there are two filters. Let's go ahead and get this one out. And you can see it's kind of dirty from the side. Now the other filter is kind of downwards, same way, so you have to pull it up and then pull it out. There you go, like this, and it comes off pretty easy with a tab. There it is. And oh, it's quite dirty from here. You can see. So now we're gonna put the new filter, and you just have to make sure we put it in the right direction. So it says facing forward in the car. So there's a tab on this one, so you have to face it this way. Do not put it the other way around. So this one will sneak it inside and it will drop down. Just hold on to the tab while you're putting it in. Push it like this, and the tab should sit at the bottom and the filter should fit right in. Let's take the second one, and we're going to go in the same way. Flip it like this. Just goes in nice and easy. Sorry, I was out of focus, but there you go. All I did was literally push it in like this. Just make sure it's sitting on top. And now we're going to take this, and now remember there's this slot thing, and it should fit. It's hard to see up there, but you can kind of like feel it when you're putting it on. This is the right way, facing this way. There we go. And you can kind of like feel it through your finger when you're putting it on, that it's sitting snug. And now just grab a screw. There it goes. Okay, let's make sure it's connected from top and bottom, and now you can tighten this. Do not over tighten this because this is plastic and you don't want to break it. So now at this point, a lot of folks, what they don't do is turn your AC on. Highly recommend that. Put it on blast and make sure you're not hearing any weird noises. There it is. No weird noises, that's good. Now all we have to do is just button everything up, which means this thing goes in the way it came out. Now could I have done this without this? I think so, because this thing is very slim, and now I'm looking at it. Next time I may want to try that without even removing this panel. But as you can see, I never removed any of the wires. There was no need to. And that's how we should do it. So let's go ahead and put everything back. So this part is in all the way, and we just have to put the side cover in. And this is just, these are just clips at the back, and make sure none of the clips are missing. As you can see, one of them is kind of missing from here, but it's already in there. So we're gonna leave that one in there. If you want, you can go ahead and remove it and stick it right here, just like that. Should be good. That's it. Everything is in place and we are done with the work. Alright guys, hopefully this video helps you guys replace your cabin filter for your Tesla Model 3. And if you guys like the video, please like and subscribe.